After a 10-hour flight from Singapore, we have arrived at Tounta International Airport in New Caledonia. Clearing immigration was a breeze, and after picking up our rental car, we headed straight to the capital town of Nouméa. We are staying at Méridien Noumea Resort Spa. Nestled along the pristine shores, this haven offers an extraordinary blend of natural beauty and modern indulgence. Opened in 1995, Méridien Noumea Resort Spa offers 209 rooms and suites, each designed with contemporary elegance. Even though the building is not new, the rooms have been immaculately refurbished. Our rooms are pretty spacious, full of amenities, and so are the bathrooms. The flower mural on the back wall adds a nice touch of colour to the room. Looking out from the balcony, we can see captivating views of the Coral Sea, and at a glance understand how this resort seamlessly combines French chic with Pacific charm. It's no surprise, since opening its doors, this resort has become a prominent and luxurious destination in the South Pacific. After enjoying the views from the balcony, we decided to explore the resort's meticulously landscaped gardens. Le Méridien Noumea Resort Spa is a botanical haven where exotic plants and vibrant flowers create a serene atmosphere. The lush greenery serves as a backdrop to leisurely strolls or peaceful moments of relaxation. We then ventured out to the private beach, where the soft white sand meets the clear blue waters of the Pacific. Le Méridien Noumea Resort goes beyond being a mere accommodation. It is a gateway to unforgettable experiences. Whether it's a romantic escape, a family vacation, or a solo adventure, Le Méridien Noumea ensures that every visitor departs with cherished memories of a truly remarkable stay.